If you're looking to deploy or train a model in AWS, then you must be aware of the pricing. Just because you can simply rent a GPU and the infrastructure from AWS doesn't mean that it will be cheaper or, as some people think, free. There is a cost associated with it, and the more beefy and heavy the GPU or EC2 instance is, the more you will pay. As per the latest figures from AWS's own website and their simple calculator, this video shows you how much you would pay per hour in US dollars for the GPUs you are going to use for your machine learning or deep learning workload. Remember that it all depends upon the VRAM of that GPU. The more the VRAM, the more powerful systems or models you can deploy or train, the lesser it is, the weaker the systems would be. But there are techniques now in the market through which you can deploy larger models onto the lesser VRAMs. So for instance, if you are going for the top class H100 GPU, that will cost you around over 12 US dollars per hour, and the VRAM you will get is around $80. And then similarly for A100, the cost is almost half, which is 5.12 US dollars per hour, and you will get the same VRAM. And for the lower scale GPUs, you can use T4 or RTX. I'm not sure if RTX is available on AWS, but T4 is. And for the T4, you will only get 16 GB of VRAM, and the cost will be just approximately $1 per hour. Now, you can use the models like Llama 7B and similar ones on these T4 instances by using just one GPU or VRAM of 16 GB, but you would have to use the techniques like LoRa or QLoRa, or you might just have to use a quantized version of those models. But again, when you are deciding to deploy your models in AWS, whether you are using AWS SageMaker or you are using any AWS EC2 instance, then make sure that you are aware of the pricing and how much you need and how much you are going to use. I hope that you found it useful. If you still have any questions, please ask them in the comments. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.